Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do the stretch crochet pattern. This pattern will give your work the illusion of being knitted. So to get started, you'll need to know how to do a double crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description on my video on how to do double crochets. So for this pattern, you will need to do multiples of 2 plus 3. For this video, I'm just going to do a quick 5 chains. Now for rows 1 and 2 is super easy. You just chain 1 and single crochet all the way across. Sorry, double crochet all the way across. So to give the pattern its texture, we're going to start off by chaining 1 and working 1 double crochet above in the regular row, and then we're going to work a double crochet in the previous row. And you treat it just like a double crochet. So then you double crochet in the next stitch, and I'll show you again. You insert your hook into the row below, yarn over once, and pull through, just like a regular double crochet, and then you finish off the row by doing 1 double crochet. So the repeat for this pattern is rows 2 and 3. So I'm going to repeat this again. So row 2 is just chaining 1 and double crocheting all the way to the end of the row. And row 3, you'll start off by chaining 1 and working 1 double crochet, followed by working a double crochet in the row below. And you'll start seeing where you've done it for the previous working in the row below, and it'll make it a lot easier. So again, it's a double crochet in the next stitch. Next stitch is going to be a row below, and then a double crochet in the next stitch. And then you just repeat this until you've created your size of pattern that you have, and it will give your work the illusion of being knitted. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.